Hey, good night, Melbourne. How are you? You are such a good crowd for such an important event. And it is our great and distinct pleasure and privilege to be playing at the G for Sound Relief. I don't wanna run, I don't wanna stay. Everything that's near and dear is old and in decay. Emergency has come, apathy rolling on. Time to take a stand, redneck wonderland. In my side, spotlit by the fence. If it's more you're faking, it's just common sense. Break and chow for miles, rolling in the aisle, rifle in my hand. A redneck wonderland. The streets are clean, nothing gets away. I can see the beauty treatment fading from your face. It is vision free, it's propaganda, something less than grand. Redneck wonderland, redneck wonderland. Redneck wonderland. Sure. Sure. Nothing really matters. No one ever tells me what am I to know. What am I to know? You wouldn't read about it. Read about it. One unjust, ridiculous deal. Ain't no doubt about it. Hammer and the sickle, use his hand to trickle. Homicide's a pickle, but the stuff I roll. Bombers keep it coming, engines softly humming. Stars and stripes are running for their only show. Another little flare up, stop imagine anything so that the light would go. Nothing ever happens, nothing really matters. No one ever tells me what am I to know. What am I to know? You wouldn't read about it, read about it. One unjust, ridiculous deal, ain't no doubt about it. Wouldn't read about it, read about it. Just another incredible deal, ain't no doubt about it, 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 about it. Let's see.
So how you going out there? I mean, talk about a land where nature really does seriously direct itself to us, and along with every other band that's been on stage, the promoters, the crew, the media, the governments, everybody has just put it together here to provide support for people that really need it. And then we get in here and it pisses down with rain. Oh man. It's so good to see you out there. And this song is for the people who are in places a little further away.
Up and broken. My life that is lived is no more than a token. We'll strike the flint upon the stone. Tell me why. If I yell out at night, there's a reply of blue silence. Scream is no comfort, can't speak my sentence. Through the light of heaven's gate, I don't know why. But if I work all day on the blue sky mine, there'll be food on the table tonight. And if I walk up and down on the blue sky mine, there'll be pain in your pocket tonight. The candy star pop a line to the shareholder, crossing their fingers, pay the truth makers. The balance sheet is breaking up. of the sky. Well, I'm caught at the junction, waiting for medicine, sweat at my brow, feeding the engine. I hope the crumbs in my pocket won't keep me for another night. And if the blue sky mining company won't come to my rescue, if the sugar refining company won't save me, who's gonna save me? Who's gonna save me? Who's gonna save me? But if I work all day on the blue sky mine, there'll be food on the table tonight. And if I walk up and down on the blue sky mine, there'll be three in your pocket tonight. Some have sailed from a distant shore, and the company takes what the company wants. Nothing's as precious as a hole in the ground. Who's gonna save me? Who's gonna save me? I pray the sense and reason. Who's gonna save me? Who's gonna save me? We got nothing to fear. And in the end the rain comes down. And in the end the rain comes down. Well, it's washing clear the streets of the blue sky town. Who wants to change the world? Who wants to shoot the curve? Who wants to get ahead? Who needs their daily bread? Who hands out equal rights? Who starts and ends that fight? And not rant and rave, or end up a slave. Who can make hard-won gains fall like summer rain? Well,
Well, everyone must be what his life can be. So don't call me the chin, I will walk away. Who wants to please everyone? Who says it all can be done? Still sit up on that fence. No one I've heard of yet. Don't call me baby. Don't talk in babies. Don't talk like has-beens. We're gonna sing it like it should be. Who laughs at their nagging down? Lying on a neon shroud, running around here, just wanna touch someone. Yeah, I wanna be. And don't call me the churn, I will walk away. Call me the churn, I will walk away. Call me the churn, I will walk away. One policy, seabed life. One passion, one moment, one movement, one difference, one instant, one understanding. Yeah, one country. Hey, it's one country. It's one country. Redemption, one island here, outplacement, one firmament, one element, one moment, one difference, one instant, yes, and one time.
the bloodwood and the desert oak, holding wrecks and boiling diesel, steaming 45 degrees. The time has come to save fair's fair, to pay the rent, to pay our share. Time has come, a fact's a fact, it belongs to them. Let's give it back. How can we dance when our earth is turning? How do we sleep while our beds are burning? How can we dance when our earth is turning? How do we sleep while our beds are burning? Time has come to say fair's fair. Pay the rent now, pay our share. Far we'll scare the cockatoos, from Kintar east to yonder moon. The western desert lives and breathes 45 degrees. Time has come, safe as fair, to pay the rent, to pay our share. Time has come, a fact's a fact, it belongs to them. Let's give it back. How can we dance when our earth is turning? How do we sleep while our beds are burning? How can we dance when our earth is turning? How do we sleep while our beds are burning? The time has come to save fair's fair, to pay the rent now, to pay our share. The time has come, a fact's a fact, belongs to them, we're gonna give it back. How can we dance when our earth is turning? How do we sleep while our beds are burning? Thank you very much. And thank you very much for coming and showing your commitment to those people that are struggling with the tough things that have happened in their lives. There's some mountains to climb, but we know with all our help, and everybody else's too, that they're gonna get there. Walking through the high, dry grass, pushing my pace through slow. Yellow belly, black slate, sleeping on a red rock, waiting for the stranger to go. Sugar train stop at the crossing, Ken Cockey's cussing the load. Slow train running, better come to the top of the mountain.
shadow of light. Say your Peter, say your Paul. Don't put me up on your bedroom wall. Call me king of the mountain. Say your Peter, say your Paul. Don't put me up on your bedroom wall. Call me the king of the mountain. Cross liquid valley wasteland, the cats are deep. Down cobblestone alleyways, watch the day shit. Those heavy mountain, sunset space. Down the road, a familiar face. Across the wilderness, out further than the bush. I will follow you. I will follow you. I will follow. I will follow. Don't serve your country, don't serve your king. Know your custom, don't speak your tongue. White man came, talk everyone. We don't serve your country, don't serve your king. White man, listen to the songs we sing. White man came, talk everything. We carry in our hearts the true country, and that cannot be stolen. Follow in the steps of our ancestry, that cannot be broken. We don't serve your country, don't serve your king. Know your custom, don't speak your tongue. White man came, chop everyone. We don't need protection, don't need your hand. I want you to keep your promise on where we stand. We will listen, understand. Yeah, 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 yeah. Carry in our hearts the true country that cannot be stolen. Follow in the steps of our ancestry that cannot be broken. Carry in our hearts the true country that cannot be stolen. Follow in the steps of our ancestry that cannot you know that this broadcast is also going out onto TV and up to Sydney, where there's 35 or 40 or 45,000 people as well. And actually, even though some of you in this crowd know that I'm a little bit of a Bombers supporter as well, but don't go holding that against me. We know how seriously you take these things in this town. But we actually are a band that comes from Sydney but appreciates playing in Melbourne and always did. This is our Sydney song, but we'll supplement a few little local lyrics along the way. See if you can pick them up at this hour of the night as we introduce our brass section and Mr. Robert Hurst on drums to begin a song called The Power and the Passion.
Wasting away in paradise, going backwards once in a while, taking your time, give it a try. What do you believe? What do you believe? What do you believe is true? And nothing they say makes a difference this way. Nothing they say will do. You take all the trouble that you can afford, leaves you won't have time to be born. At least you won't have time to be born. Oh, the power and the passion. Oh, the temper of the time. Oh, the power and the passion. Sometimes you've got to take the hardest part. Faces around, skin so brown, smiling, in cream and crowds. Sundays the beach, never a cloud. The reason you can lift a push and hammer and stuffing much junk food, laughing at the truth. God was tough till he hit the rough. Hey, Uncle Sam and John, quite enough. Too much of sunshine, too much of sky. It's just enough to make you wanna cry. It's just enough to make you wanna cry. Oh, the power and the passion. Oh, the temper of the time. Oh, the power and the passion. Sometimes you got to take the hardest line. Buildings, cloud in the sky in paradise. We're in Melbourne, the nights are warm, daytime telly, blue rimmed dawn. Dad's so bad he lives in the pub. It's underarms and football club. Go to Sydney where the people sit, beaches so pretty, live a life outside to stay to your feet. You take what you get what you please. It's better to die on your feet than to live on your knees. It's better to die on your feet than live on your knees. Whoa, the power and the passion. Whoa, temper of the tide. Whoa, the power and the passion. Sometimes you've got to take the hardest line.
Thank you for having us. Thank you for being a part of Sound Relief. To all our friends and families for getting us back up on this stage again. A mighty pleasure for myself especially. And remember, we've got the best of both worlds here.
Both worlds here, things are rough. We got the best of both worlds here. Times are tough. We got the best of both worlds. You say times are tough. We got the best of both worlds. Things are rough. We got the best of both worlds. You say times are tough. We got the best of both worlds. The real world is not as calm as it appears to be from here. Real world is not as calm as it appears to be from here. Small world, not as safe with new world closing in. The great Southland can be as great as one it could have been. The one it could have been. The one it could have been. The real
the best of both worlds. Things are rough. We got the best of both worlds, yeah. Times are tough. We got the best of both worlds, yeah. They shake that things are rough. We got the best of both worlds. We got the best of both worlds here. We got the best of both worlds. We got the best of both worlds here. We got the best of both worlds. We got the best. We got the best. We got the best of both worlds. We got the best. We got the best. We got the best of both worlds. Take care. Thank you for having us. Good night.
The most awesome band in the world, the mighty Midnight Oil. Want some more? Let's hear it at the MCG in the mighty city of Melbourne for Midnight Oil!
Well, thank you very, very much, everybody. It has, as I said before in my other remarks, been a real privilege for us to come down and play this show, because I think, like everybody around Australia, we were very blown away and quite affected by what happened to people. And for some people, especially those who did lose their loved ones, it's going to take a lot of time and healing to get that there. But one of the things that we know for sure after playing in this country for 27 years, there's a lot of spirit in this country, and we've seen it over the last couple of weeks, and we'll see plenty more of it as the years unfold. And remember, we never have to give in. We don't give in. We know they won't give in, and you've helped them tonight. So thanks very much. See you later on. Shudders and shakes. I know there's a floodgate and a raging river, and I see the silence of the ribbons of iron and steel. I hear the punch-drunk huddle as they drive on a hammer, and we are. Sometimes you're beaten to the top. Sometimes you're taken to the wall. Sometimes you're beaten to the top. Sometimes you're taken to the wall. But you don't give in. Why no? 'Cause I know that the cannibals wear smart suits and tie. I know they unwrestle on the altar.